Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Deep in America's farming heartland, the Vault of Civilizations team begins uncovering the massive potato fields.
These potato plants may look simple, but behind every crisp chip lies months of precision farming, soil science, and non-stop care.
The team discovers how farmers carefully monitor soil moisture, temperature, and nutrients to grow perfect potatoes for industrial food production.
Every field requires thousands of gallons of controlled irrigation to keep potato crops healthy through changing weather and intense summer heat. Farm specialists reveal how advanced crop management protects potatoes from pests, disease, and harsh environmental conditions before harvest season begins. When harvest arrives, giant farming machines extract thousands of potatoes every hour using powerful automated harvesting technology. Only the best potatoes survive the first inspection, as workers remove damaged crops before transportation to massive processing factories. Before shipping begins, the potatoes are cleaned to remove heavy dirt and debris collected during the intense harvesting operation. After careful preparation, tons of farm-fresh potatoes are loaded into giant transport trucks bound for some of the world's largest food factories.
From these endless potato fields to giant industrial factories, Vault of Civilizations is uncovering the incredible...
After leaving the farms, the potatoes arrive at one of America's largest snack factories, where industrial production begins around the clock.
Inside the facility, automated systems immediately begin cleaning thousands of potatoes every minute before processing starts.
The Vault of Civilizations team discovers how advanced washing systems remove every trace of dirt before the potatoes continue deeper into production.
Powerful steam peelers strip away potato skins in seconds, while maintaining the perfect texture needed for premium snack production. Smart inspection technology uses high-speed cameras and sensors to identify imperfections before the potatoes are approved for processing. The potatoes are transformed into precise flakes that will later become the signature dough used to create perfectly shaped chips.
Factory engineers explain how exact moisture levels and ingredient balance are critical for maintaining consistent chip quality.
Inside these massive mixers, potato flakes combine with carefully measured ingredients to form the famous Pringles dough. Computer-controlled systems ensure every batch contains identical ingredient ratios for flavor consistency across millions of cans.
The team now enters the heart of production, where giant rollers flatten the dough into thin sheets ready for shaping.
The carefully prepared potato dough now travels through precision rollers that create the exact thickness required for every chip. Powerful cutting systems shape thousands of future chips every minute with incredible industrial precision.
Vault of Civilizations discovers how advanced molding technology gives every chip its famous curved shape.
Special curved molds transform flat dough into the instantly recognizable shape designed for strength and perfect stacking. Each perfectly formed chip moves seamlessly through the automated line without slowing the non-stop production process. Both human inspectors and digital sensors work together to guarantee every chip meets strict quality standards. The shaped chips now enter giant industrial fryers, where heat transforms soft dough into crispy, golden snacks.
The intense frying process lasts only moments, but precise timing is essential for achieving the perfect crunch.
After frying, advanced draining systems remove excess oil before the chips continue towards seasoning and flavor development. Flavoring systems rapidly coat every chip with carefully measured blends of spices and seasonings. Different production lines create multiple flavors at the same time, using high-speed automated flavor technology.
The Vault of Civilizations team witnesses how exact seasoning distribution ensures every chip delivers identical taste and texture.
Every grain of seasoning must spread evenly while the chips remain warm to lock in maximum flavor. Factory laboratories continuously test flavor consistency, crispness, and ingredient safety throughout production. Damaged chips are automatically removed by smart machines before packaging begins. After inspection, the chips travel deeper into the facility, where they will be stacked and packaged at incredible speed.
These advanced robotic systems carefully align every chip into perfectly organized stacks without human contact.
precision alignment prevents breakage while preparing the chips for the famous can packaging process.
Inside this giant factory, millions of chips move through dozens of automated systems every single day without stopping.
Before the chips are packaged, giant machines produce the famous cans, designed to protect every stack during shipping.
High-speed printing technology covers each can with detailed graphics and product information within seconds.
Vault of Civilizations now enters the Advanced Packaging Division, where millions of cans are prepared every week.
Precision filling machines insert chip stacks into cans with exact spacing to prevent crushing and damage. Each can is sealed immediately after filling to preserve freshness and maintain the famous crispy texture. Automated lid systems complete the packaging process in milliseconds while maintaining non-stop factory efficiency. Every packaged can undergoes strict inspection before approval for worldwide distribution.
The finished products now move into enormous storage facilities where millions of cans await shipment across the globe.
Robotic palletizing systems organize products for transport faster than any human workforce could achieve. From factory production to global delivery, every movement inside this operation is carefully synchronized for maximum efficiency. Once packaged, the chips begin their journey to supermarkets and stores across multiple continents. This giant supply chain moves millions of cans every single day through a non-stop transportation network.
The Vault of Civilizations team discovers how advanced logistics keep shelves stocked with fresh products around the world.
Massive distribution hubs use automation to organize products for retailers, warehouses, and export facilities. Every shipment is digitally monitored to ensure accurate delivery schedules and inventory management.
After traveling through the supply chain, the products finally arrive at stores, ready for consumers.
From potato fields to supermarket shelves, every can represents one of the world's most advanced food manufacturing systems.
The complete process combines farming, engineering, robotics, food science, and global logistics on a massive scale. Even through the night, this giant factory never stops producing the famous chips enjoyed across the world. Inside the factory, production continues 24 hours a day to meet the enormous worldwide demand for Pringles.
Advanced computer systems allow engineers to supervise every stage of manufacturing in real time. Vault of Civilizations discovers how artificial intelligence and automation help manage millions of chips every single hour.
Automated maintenance technology constantly checks equipment performance to prevent breakdowns and production delays. Skilled technicians work around the clock to maintain the precision systems responsible for non-stop chip production. Powerful ventilation networks control temperature and air quality throughout the massive manufacturing complex.
Thousands of meters of industrial piping transport ingredients safely and efficiently across the giant facility.
The factory uses sophisticated recycling systems to reduce water waste and improve environmental efficiency.
Modern factories increasingly rely on renewable energy technologies to reduce industrial power consumption. The enormous facility operates like a self-contained industrial city dedicated entirely to snack production. Behind the scenes, food scientists constantly develop new flavors and improve production quality.
Flavor development requires years of testing to create tastes that appeal to customers worldwide.
The Vault of Civilizations team uncovers how science and technology shape the future of snack manufacturing.
Prototype chips undergo detailed testing before any new product reaches supermarket shelves.
Even the sound of a chip breaking is scientifically measured to maintain the famous Pringles crunch.
Temperature-controlled storage protects valuable ingredients before they enter production.
Inside these enormous warehouses, robotics manage thousands of ingredients with incredible precision.
Automation allows the factory to move products rapidly while minimizing human error. Once packaged, the products travel through global transportation networks, reaching stores across multiple continents.
Every shipment represents the combined effort of farmers, engineers, scientists, and factory workers working together.
From factory to ocean, Pringles can enter global shipping routes, connecting continents through advanced logistics networks.
Vault of Civilizations reveals how international trade moves these snacks from one country to another within days.
These massive vessels carry millions of products across oceans to meet worldwide consumer demand.
Every container is tracked digitally to ensure precise delivery timing and supply chain accuracy.
Air freight is used when products must reach distant markets quickly and efficiently.
The Vault of Civilizations team discovers how modern logistics blends sea, air, and land transportation seamlessly.
After international travel, products are sorted into regional warehouses for retail distribution.
Store shelves are carefully arranged to ensure customers always find fresh and available products.
From industrial factories to everyday homes, Vault of Civilizations shows how global food production connects the world.
This journey highlights the extraordinary coordination between agriculture, technology, and international trade.
Even at night, production and distribution systems continue operating without pause.
Strict quality checks ensure every product meets global safety and taste standards.
Digital tracking systems assign each product a unique identity for global inventory control.
Vault of Civilizations explores the final stage before products reach retail stores worldwide.
Advanced sorting systems divide shipments based on country, demand, and distribution schedules.
From highways to cities, the supply chain ensures products are always available where needed.
After a long industrial journey, the final moment belongs to the consumer enjoying the product.
Every snack tells a hidden story of farming, science, and global collaboration. This is the complete journey of Pringles, uncovered by Vault of Civilizations, from soil to shelf across the world.
Hello guys, welcome back to another short video and welcome back to my channel World of Civilization. So about this documentary, from vast American potato farm to a mega factory running 24/7, this documentary follows the complete journey of Pringles: washing, steam peeling, flaking, mixing, shaping, frying, seasoning, stacking, and canning millions of chips every day. Witness robotics, AI quality control, global logistic, and the science behind the iconic curve crunch. Like this video if you enjoyed this factory manufacturing. Subscribe to the World of Civilization for more incredible manufacturing documentaries. Until that time, see you in the next video. Take care.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.